Today I decided to make the new mystery scented wax melts. So right now I have everything set up and ready to go. My wax is already pre-cut and pre-measured. So we're going to measure out our fragrance oil. Measured out is 2 ounces of fragrance oils. We add 2 ounces of fragrance oils to each pound of wax. I'm going to add about a half a teaspoon of coconut oil. So now I'm going to add a half a teaspoon of stirring acid. Bamboo sticks, my stirring tools. These melts we're going to use Southwest 5800. So my wax has cooled down. And I'm going to add the fragrance oil. And I'm going to stir approximately 2 minutes so it can all combine together. So I decided to add a little gold to it. So now everything is ready and it's time to pour. Come back for the reveal.